Yeah, excited is a word. Hi guys, good morning. It is 8 o'clock and I am getting ready to go to Notting Hill and get my hair done. Terrified. I am truly, like, yesterday I feel like I worked myself up to it and I'm shaking because I've realized that this hair is not going to be on my head. But yeah, so I'm off to Larry King's, which, you know, I know they're like amazing, so it should be fine. However, like, I've never had my hair bleached to that extent, so I'm very, very, very nervous. Enjoy this vlog. Look who I'm with. Oh, literal princess. Oh my goodness. We're just grabbing some coffee before my hair goes blonde. We were just having a chat about going blonde because you're trying to go blonde, aren't you?
Exactly. We are in this stage 1, so let's see.
Stage 1. So I think that's maybe what we're gonna go with, unless I just turn out to be bleach blonde after this. I don't know. Yeah, excited is a word. So just had a lovely catch up with Beatrice. She is a photographer and she's incredible. She kind of reached out to me on Instagram and said she wants to hang out, so we just did. We took some photos, literally 3 shots on a film, so I don't even know what it looks like, but I'm at a salon right now, stressed to the core. So first we cut my hair. That's my hairstylist, Baz. He's going to cut my hair before bleaching it just a little bit. So we're going to do like a refresh just because I am happy with the cut and, you know, I'm kind of used to it and I do like it. So yeah, going blonde in like approximately 20 minutes. Not as nervous as I was this morning. Kind of chilling now, excited if anything. So yeah, let's go. What do I look like? What do you make me look like? Something like, I look like a creature from Star Wars, if anything. You look beautiful. Right.
Blonde highlights, but I'm back combing them so that you get like a teased root, so that it's not going to be a line. And we're just putting loads and loads and loads in because we want to make you really blonde. Tell you what, should we turn you?
Okay, go on then. So, 8 bowls of bleach. You're fine. 8 bowls of bleach. 4 hands. We're here.
We're here.
And this is the final look. I can't believe it. I love it. It is so like natural and it looks amazing. And I got it cut as well, so it's a nice blunt cut. I'm speechless, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like a brand new woman. It feels healthy, doesn't feel like damage. So all the concerns that I've had, like, completely gone out the window. So this is it. Final look of my blonde hair. I'm so happy. We left the root inside here so it's not so harsh on my scalp, etc. But if you're ever considering going blonde, you have to know that this It's going to dry out your hair. It's slightly dry. We did Olaplex, which helped a lot. But yeah, now I have to take care of my hair a little bit more than I did before. But I love it. It's super natural. I mean, as natural as you can get a brunette to a blonde. And then yeah, I love it. Thank you so much to the Larry King team. They've been super patient over like 6 hours of this treatment. So yeah, let me know what you think about this in the comments down below. So I hope you like it. See you soon. Bye.